To set up FitBit Ace devices for your family, follow these steps to create a Fitbit family account and set up the Ace 2 or Ace 3 trackers for your children. Begin by creating a new Fitbit account or logging into your existing one on the primary phone or tablet that your child will use with their tracker. Next, you'll need to have a family account set up. Create a family account and add your child to it, helping them set up their profile within the app.if you're setting up for the first time. Ensure you have a Google account. Within your Google account, set up a Google family group. Then, sign into Fitbit with your Google account credentials.in the Fitbit app. Navigate to the My Family tab and tap on the plus icon to create a child account. From there, follow the prompts to complete the setup process. Remember, if you're using the Fitbit app for the first time, you'll need to create a Google family group and sign in with your Google account to proceed. Once set up, you can manage your family's Fitbit devices and accounts directly from the app's Family tab. That's how you can get started with setting up Fitbit Ace devices for your family. Follow these steps to create a Fitbit family account and set up the trackers for your children.